Hello guys, welcome back to our channel again. It's another beautiful day. So guys, Papa is sleeping. He just got back from work, and today I will be having a seizure and passing out prank on my husband to see how he's going to react. Look, as he's here, he will be in the video. So guys, if you hear any noise, anything, ignore. So guys, let's see how this mukbang goes. So today we'll be having rice with tilapia stew, you know, and you will see it at the dining table. So let's see, let's meet at the dining table. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's another day. So guys, today we are eating. Look at us, we are doing what? Eating. Say hi. So guys, today we are eating rice with sauce and tilapia. So guys, if you are new here, you are welcome. Enjoy this amazing mukbang with us. So let's pray. Man. So guys, enjoy with us. Look at us eat. Take your spoon. Take your spoon, please. Good boy. You are eating toffee. Can you pour me water? Baby, pour me water.
Bruh. Wait, what? What's wrong? Baby. Baby. What's wrong with you, baby? Baby. Stand up. Baby, why? Baby. 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 Jay. Jay. What's wrong with you? Bruh.
Why? Why are you looking at me? Look at Cinder. Baby, 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 look at me, you're tapping your mom. Guys, I can't believe I got this man. Who's like, baby, baby, what's wrong with you? Won't you even pray? You won't even pray for me. I was pranking you, having shit and passing out. You know, it was...
You are pranking me.
Pablo. It's funny, guys. Lucas, won't you eat? Lulu, won't you eat? Guys, I got this. Why are you looking at me like that?
Bruh.
Lucas, were you calling Mama? He's doing some. Lucas is doing some. Guys, I got him. What do you do? Guys, eat the food. Why, what were you thinking?
Thinking we're dying.
I'm dying. Just like that. I can't die you. In that house, I once died. I can't die like that. Olu, eat, eat. Won't you stop eating the coffee? Take. Take. You are not eating, but you are drinking water. You love it. You love it. You don't even say you love it. You are just
I love it.
You didn't say anything. You didn't say anything.
It's delicious. I like it.
Guys, I have to remember him to say that the food is delicious before this man tells me my food is delicious.
I've already said it in my heart.
You said it in your heart.
In my head.
In your head. Okay, take the onion. If you don't want it, take it. Eat. You are not eating and you are drinking water, Lulu. Good boy. Water is good for your health. You know that? I'm baby. That's my boy, guys. Lulu, why are you not eating? What? 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 Are you okay?
No.
So guys, we are done here. See what this boy is doing. Oh, kiss me. Kiss me. So guys, we are done here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this food with us. If you want more videos, more moon prank, more mukbang, more vlogs as well, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and be part of this family for more. See you on our next upload. Bye.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.